What is going on, guys? It is your boy Rish. Very exciting video because a lot of things been happening, and if you guys checked out last video, this has been anticipating because I left you guys off on a cliffhanger. We're about to take the TSX on the first drive. Everything's all said and done. Coolant's bled, power steering, clutch pedal, I got it how it should. It's shifting into gears. I might have to adjust a little bit as I go, but we're gonna go ahead and start the car up, pull it out. I'm gonna get you guys that visual. My girl will, because she's recording, and yeah, we'll just go around the neighborhood, show you guys maybe the neighborhood a little bit, see how the car is feeling. So let's go. Watch this purr. Mwah. Keep in mind, you guys are gonna hear a little bit of noises. Things are still setting in, and I have stiffer motor mounts. Things are a little bit more rattly, you know, so gotta keep that in mind. Man, this feels crazy, bro. Shout out to Barry, Mad Honda Racing. You guys have been showing him mad love, and keep showing him love. Tell him to make videos, you know, show his work. Tell him to have me show his work more too, and you know, don't be shy about it, because he's been loving the attention, and you guys showing him love and support and whatnot. So let's keep it up. Let's keep it up. We're only going around the neighborhood real quick because your boy's not registered or insured yet, you know. But we got a permit for our neighborhood, so I want y'all be tattletaling on me, bro. Pulled out, it should sound monster. It's loud as fuck. I was like, this is shaking up the neighborhood. There's a lot of old folks over here, so they're probably like, what the fuck is going on?
Damn.
Yeah, I don't give a fuck. I need an alignment bad. Look at this shit. I need an alignment horribly. Damn, my steering wheel's crooked as fuck. But damn, this shit feels. Woo! This is like literally what I've been missing, and I've been needing so bad. Like I want to fucking cry right now type shit. Like this, I've been needing this so hard, man. Oh, this feels crazy, man. It drives so fucking good, and the suspension's not even dialed. The alignment's completely fucking off. Oh my god. The clutch feels good. It's doing what it's supposed to. Like, everything feels smooth. Except, you know, we got the stiffer motor mounts and whatnot, but like, look at that shit. Look at that shit. Bro, I don't even know what the fuck to say. I really wish it was fucking insured and stuff right now, because I just want to go take it for a long ride. Bro, and I'm in third gear, low RPMs, and it just like wants to go. Like it's just flowing. It feels fucking phenomenal, man. It sounds like a fucking beast now. Like it literally just wants to go and roar. You guys hear that? That's 3,500 RPMs. She looks so beautiful. She needs a wash. It's been a long while, but nonetheless, still looking so goddamn good. And I gotta put on my rear lip again. But you know, we've been focused on a lot of different things, and yeah, in due time.
In due time.
So we got the car inside again. Got her up. I went underneath and checked like the header bolts, not to the motor, but like to the test pipe and to the exhaust portion. And they needed a little bit of tightening, not too much. Overall, seems kind of good. We went on that drive. Shit was fun. Hopefully tomorrow I'll get it registered, because I want to be able to do a lot more. I need to get the alignment done, like I said. I may take off my wheels and start figuring out the whole ride height thing in the front. See if I can get them adjusted. I don't have the spinner wrenches, sadly. I have this one, but that's about it. I have no idea what happened to my BC racing set. I must have just placed them down somewhere and not there no more. So yeah, might have to try to use a hammer and whatnot. And yeah, we'll see. Drop her lower in the front and in the rear, so we get prepped for alignment when we get registered and all that. So yeah, let's get to it. We are down here adjusting the ride height. In the front, both sides were at a 4-inch ride height. I measured from the top collar to the bottom, right before the spring and on the bottom of like the spinner section. I'll show you guys in a second here. I'm trying to go maybe to, I don't know, we'll see, maybe a 3.5 inch or 3.25 drop. The front was pretty high, you know, I had to get it right for the trailer and whatnot. We have this teen wrench, I don't know how you say it. I have the big spinner wrench, which is the one I need to lower it, thankfully, because I didn't want to sit there like banging it with the hammer, you know. Let me just keep spinning to the left. Now that you guys could see what I was talking about, go ahead and get my tape measure. I was saying that I was measuring from this top portion, this ring, to the bottom one right here. Keep wrenching a little bit. If you're trying to lower it, you have to go with the top collar and turn left, the bigger one. And for the smaller one, you turn right and go upwards. But you have to loosen up this bottom collar. It's pretty simple. Sorry for the screeching. Let's get that in there. We are at almost 3.5, so a little bit more. We get in there. After quite a bit of turns and whatnot, we finally got this side where we want it, at least for now, because I want to see how 3.5 is looking. See it right there. So I'm gonna do the other side, put the wheels back on, and then we're just gonna drop it, see how the front looks. All right, so not too bad, honestly. The 3.5 inch drop isn't too bad. It clears the wheel gap more, which is nice. I like it's actually in there, but fenders are rolled, so it's not exactly, you know, the fitment I'd like, but I need a camber kit and stuff to, you know, correct that and this, because I wanted to bring it out more, so it's more like a flusher look instead of camber. But honestly, for right now, 3.5 inch, I'm pretty, don't mind my rust, I'm pretty happy with that, because Florida streets too, big bumps and like speed bumps and big gaps and weird things. The roads are bad everywhere, so for right now, 3.5 inch may be good, just as like precautions and whatnot, so I could get, you know, a feel for the TSX around again and get used to the low stance lift again, so, because it's been a while.
Tomorrow.
Alright guys, we did it. We got a plate. We're registered, thank God. We got that all handled today, just like an hour ago. I got the ride height kind of how I want it. The rear is a little higher and the front's a little lower. I kind of like the swoop down look. I wrote down all these notes. The rear was kind of funky to mess with. I don't know, one side is different from the other a bit, but they're both kind of around the same height. Front is at a 23.5 inch drop. It's from the floor to the fender, so it may vary a little bit, but like the fronts are spot on. The rear is right under 24.5 inch from floor to fender as well. The left side needs to go down just a little bit, but I literally took off that wheel like 5 times and redid it, and it just barely goes down when I try. So I'm like, all right, I'll do it later, tomorrow or something. Got my alignment for tomorrow at 11 a.m. So in-ground rack, thankfully, and maybe tune next weekend and all that. We'll talk about that. But we're gonna go for a ride, take Mama Sky on a ride, because I told her this morning if we're gonna get it registered, she gotta go for a ride. She's missed it as much as we did, because she loves cars. She loves the car noises. So Dada's car. Guys, she is looking so good. Sit. Looking so good.
A few moments later.
I never take a day off, work around the clock, my engineer getting paid off. Rock like Ace up, like the weed and take off. So high I cannot see.